Good evening, everyone. This is Gambell with simpleroptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to share some ideas that I've been working on in the transports. So when we come back and look at IYT, which is a good ETF to look at for this type of action, you can see that the sell-off that we've seen over the course of the past several weeks took us right back down into a retracement of a major previous swing. So as you incorporate Fibonacci work into your analysis, I think the easiest way to do it is to look at your major swing levels, and when you see something where we've come from a key swing low against a key swing high and then right at the 618 retracement of that move, that's an area to consider for support. So as I look at this chart and say, okay, it has hit this area of support, it is triggered off of the daily chart by a close above the high of the low bar, is this something where we can start looking to this for new highs? Well, I wouldn't get that carried away just yet, but I would look at the rally that preceded the decline and start to set up resistance in that way. If we can start to clear that, then I will look for a move about half back. And then ultimately we can see if it's able to move up into new highs and what would be its extension of this swing high to swing low. So if we look at the transports, and that's the idea that we're going to try to work with, is to say we've held a support decision, we're waiting to see if we can clear resistance to start moving higher. Where might we play this? Well, the first top 10 holdings of it are a great place to look. So if we say, okay, let's look at FedEx. This is a great place to look at this because the patterns are so strikingly similar. Now in this case I don't have a 618 as much as I have symmetry from these previous declines. So we're just saying, based off the way FedEx has corrected during previous moves down, this is an area that you could consider for support. However, just like the transports, you say, okay, that's an area of support that's holding. This is going to act a lot better once you can clear the bearish symmetry on the way back up. So in the same way that we ran the swing high, or swing low to swing high in the transports, we'll do that here with FedEx. And all of this will basically, if I can get the trade to come through for me, it will all come to fruition in one fell swoop, because I would like to see that we can close back up above the 21 EMA. That is exactly where you find that symmetry resistance, and then this will help me start working this into a push to new highs. I know that earnings may seem far away now, but I think they'll be here sooner than we expect, and finding some support in this area, ultimately moving up into about 223, 226 is the way that I'm going to be looking to play the sector that we just reviewed, and then of course FedEx in more detail for this exact plan. So I hope that helps. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you at the next free video.